Could these simple pedal covers actually transform your driving experience? We're about to find out if these stainless steel accelerator and brake pedal covers for the BYD Seal 2024 are more than just a pretty face. Straight out of the box, the build quality feels surprisingly robust. They're crafted from what feels like premium stainless steel, and despite looking sleek, they have a reassuring heft to them, suggesting they can handle some serious foot action without issue. Installation is where these really shine. The product promises easy and quick setup with no complex modifications, and honestly, it delivers. It was a breeze to get them on, no wrestling or frustration involved, which is always a huge plus for any car accessory. The ergonomic design is also a standout feature. The height and width seem thoughtfully calculated, aiming to align with natural foot movements. It's not just about looks. There's a clear intention to improve comfort and control while driving. Visually, these add a definite touch of class. The simple, fashionable design brings a unique and stylish element to the interior that was definitely missing before. It's a subtle upgrade, but it makes a noticeable difference, giving the cabin a more premium feel. The company states they meet general installation standards for corresponding model foot pedals, and in our experience with the BYD Seal 2024, they fit perfectly, feeling secure and integrated. Performance-wise, while it's hard to quantify dramatic changes in acceleration or braking from just pedal covers, the improved grip and the more solid feel underfoot are undeniable. It inspires a bit more confidence, especially during spirited driving or in less than ideal weather conditions. They feel lightweight, yet incredibly sturdy, living up to their claim of being able to stand up to intense stepping. Overall, for BYD Seal 2024 owners looking for a simple, stylish, and functional interior upgrade, these stainless steel pedal covers are a solid choice that's easy to install and genuinely enhances the driving feel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.